You wake up on an abandoned beach. Magnificent, isn't it? I wouldn't swim in there if I were you, though. You don't look like a swimmer. Notice a cave on the other side of the beach. Back in the fresh air. I wonder where that passage leads to. Watch out for rock slides. It would be a shame to go that way. Forest. I love forests. What a quaint river. What a strange sound. Can you even remember the others now? I wouldn't go there if I were you. Bears, and lots of them. Get away from that. Let's see if you can figure this out. No pressure. No one else has yet. Get it wrong, and you die. Get it right, I'd probably still kill you. Oh, fuck. This is awkward. You know what? That was kind of impressive. I'm not even mad. I don't really know what to do now. Want to go for a cup of tea?